how to create Discord roles in 2022. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Discord role in 2022. So, without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you're going to open up a Discord application on your laptop, computer, PC, or any other device you have. Afterwards, you're going to go at the left side of the page where your server is being shown and right click on it. Afterwards, you're going to go and look for the server settings option, which is exactly the number fifth one. Afterwards, a new dialog box is going to appear just right beside it, and eventually you're going to select the roles option. Then a new page is going to appear in which you're going to go and tap on create role. So afterwards, you're going to go and create a new role. You're going to write the name of that role. For example, I have done and write the name of the role as moderator. Eventually, you can pick up your own color you want to. For example, I have picked up this red color. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to head over towards the permission side. Eventually, I can give permissions I want. For example, manage channels, manage roles, manage emojis and stickers, view edit log, giving all the necessary details I think are important for the moderators. Now, what I'm gonna do is go over to manage members. So, I'm going to add members. How I can add members is I have only one member, Umis19, and I'm going to add it. When I have added this thing, so I'm going to roll. I can undo this and I can do whatever I want to. I can also write. So this is how you do it. If I want to unselect or manage members, this moderator is managing this server. So I can also do it, undo it by right clicking on it, going over to the roles and just uncheck this. This is how you edit roles and this is how you add roles to Discord. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Till then, peace out.